Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be going over LeetCode problem 342, which involves the fun of logarithms. The problem here states that we'll be given an integer n and we have to return true if it's a power of 4 and false otherwise. The problem defines that something is a power of 4 if it's possible to raise 4 to an integer in order to get the integer n. The answer to this problem lies in the magic of logarithms. Let's quickly go over what a logarithm is. If I had the equation 2 to the power of x is equal to 8, then we would do log base 2 of 8 in order to solve for x. In this case, what I want to do is find out what power x we have to raise 4 to in order to get our number n. Then, I'm going to check if x is an integer. This equation can be represented with 4 to the power of x is equal to n, in which we're trying to solve for x. Using logarithms, we know that log base 4 of n is equal to x. But there is a slight problem. In Java, we have the math class, which does have logarithms, but they're either natural logs or logarithms of base 10. Luckily for us, we can use the change of base property of logarithms. If we divided two logarithms with the same base, for example, log base a of x divided by log base a of y, then the answer is going to be equal to log base y of x. Notice how the bases of the original logarithms are no longer included, and our base is now y, and the number we're taking the logarithm of is x. Well, my desired end goal is log base 4 of n. Since logarithms in the math class are base 10, we can use this property to our advantage. We can set a double x equal to the log of n divided by the log of 4. Now that we have our x value, the last part is much simpler. We just have to check if x mod 1 is equal to 0. If x truly is an integer, then there should be no remainder, so if x mod 1 is equal to 0, we return true, otherwise we return false. If we submit this code, we can see that it works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, goodbye.